Hey there! Welcome back to Best Product. Today we are checking out the best Smart Meat Thermometer that can totally change the way you cook at home or outdoors. If you want perfect results without guessing, this one is worth your attention. Let's get started. The product we're talking about is the ThermoPro TempSpike Plus Smart Meat Thermometer. This smart thermometer is designed to make cooking easier, more accurate, and a lot more stress-free. Whether you are grilling outside or cooking in your kitchen, the ThermoPro TempSpike Plus Smart Meat Thermometer helps you stay in control. One of the standout features is the advanced Bluetooth 5.2 technology. It offers an impressive 600 feet transmission range. That means you can monitor your food from far away without losing connection. You do not have to stand next to the grill the whole time. Even in large backyards or places where Wi-Fi is weak or unavailable, the connection stays stable. This gives you more freedom to move around while still keeping an eye on your food. Durability is another big advantage. The ThermoPro TempSpike Plus Smart Meat Thermometer comes with IP67 waterproof meat probes. This level of protection helps prevent water from getting inside the probes, which extends their lifespan. You can wash them with confidence and use them in different cooking conditions without worry. The probe design is also very strong. It features a ceramic tip with a superior sealing structure. These probes can withstand temperatures up to 1050 degrees Fahrenheit, so even if you are cooking at very high heat, the thermometer can handle it. This makes it reliable for grilling, roasting, and other high-temperature cooking methods. If you cook more than one type of meat at the same time, you will appreciate the color-coded probes. Instead of using numbers and trying to remember which is which, each probe has its own color. This makes it easy to track different meats without confusion. It keeps everything simple and organized. Another helpful feature is the LCD booster display. With the ThermoPro TempSpike Plus Smart Meat Thermometer, you can check both meat temperature and ambient temperature directly on the display. You do not always have to open the app to see the readings. This saves time and reduces interruptions, especially when you are busy cooking. Pairing the device is also very easy. The Bluetooth connection works right out of the box. There's no need to create an account or set up Wi-Fi. This simple setup makes the ThermoPro TempSpike Plus Smart Meat Thermometer very convenient and user-friendly. You can start using it almost immediately. In terms of design, it feels modern and practical. The probes are built to last, and the display unit is clear and easy to read. Everything is made to make your cooking experience smoother and more enjoyable. Cooking just got smarter. If you want better control and perfect results every time, this thermometer is a great choice. Check the price link in the description to learn more. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more simple and helpful product videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.